In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 11. So, let's dive in and get your Wi-Fi back on track. First, look down at your taskbar, and you'll notice the network icon. Go ahead and right-click on that icon. This is your gateway to all things network-related on your PC. Once you've done that, you'll see an option pop up called Network and Internet Settings. This is where we'll start our journey today. Click on it, and it will lead you to the Network and Internet section. From here, you'll want to find and select the Advanced Network Settings option. This option gives you deeper control over your network configurations, which is exactly what we need to fix this issue. Now, in the Advanced Settings window, you should see a list of network adapters. Look for the one labeled as your Wi-Fi adapter. This is critical because it might be disabled, which is precisely why your Wi-Fi isn't showing up. Spotting it should be fairly straightforward as it's usually marked by the word Wi-Fi. If you find it disabled, simply right-click it. You'll see an option that says Enable Device. Click on that, and this will turn on your Wi-Fi adapter, making it functional again. This step usually solves a lot of connectivity issues, but let's keep moving just in case. With the adapter enabled, let's shift our focus back to the taskbar. Once more, click on the network icon. This time, we're making sure that everything is set up as it should be in the Quick Settings panel. To do this, find and click on the pen-shaped icon which lets you edit the Quick Settings panel. Once it's open, you'll want to choose the Add button. This allows you to customize the settings further to meet your needs. From the list of options provided, choose Wi-Fi. Selecting Wi-Fi ensures that it appears in your Quick Settings, which is super handy for managing your network connections efficiently. Finally, after you've gone through these steps, click Done to finalize everything and add the Wi-Fi icon back if it was missing. This concludes our troubleshooting session for getting Wi-Fi to show up again in your settings on Windows 11. Each of these steps is designed to incrementally solve the problem, so make sure to follow them closely. By the end of this video, you should have your Wi-Fi up and running just like before, ready for all your online activities. And there you have it, all steps thoroughly explained to help you fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing in settings. Whether it was a disabled adapter or a misconfigured Quick Settings panel, you now know how to tackle the problem head-on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions like this one. See you next time.